US Trailer is different from our competitors because of our service. Our distinctive competence in this space is our service. Trailers are commodities. Everybody has the same type of trailers. What really makes us different is solution selling and the service we provide. With there being so few rental outfits that do what we do, it's easy to be the best because everybody's complacent. You know, they're transacting commodities. And we like to sell our customers on solutions, so we really listen to their problems, and sometimes trailers aren't part of the solution. Sometimes we can offer a better solution and make an introduction, or you know, do something with real estate instead of trailers. Because you know, these trailers, we call them portable warehouse. They're really a proxy for real estate, for warehouse, for industrial space. So you know, when we're talking to these customers, we like to focus on a solution rather than renting them the trailer.